Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Oaktree TV. I'm AU Bankitis.
And I'm Dave Kemp.
And I'm actually sitting down with Dave Kemp to discuss with him the most recent AudiologyOnline webinar. So what was that all about?
So I recently presented on the topic of smartphone connectivity and some of the different use cases for hearing aids that might come from that connectivity. And the way I was doing that was kind of looking at some of the different underlying technology as well as peripheral industries to see how they're being impacted by technology.
Okay, so what are the quick takeaways from that?
So ultimately, I was looking at why this time is different, looking at some different data and statistics around adoption rates and the like. And then from there, some of the lessons that we can learn from Apple and the iPhone, knowing that these devices are becoming more computerized, more akin to our smartphones. And so looking at some of the different doors that opens up.
Like what kind of doors?
So the two major use cases that I touched on in this presentation were around smart assistant integration and biometric sensors. And with the smart assistant integration, that's more or less just a way to say this is a new opportunity for people to interact with their technology, kind of like you use your phone, you tap, touch, and swipe. This is the idea that you could just speak the commands, and how much more conducive would that be to the patient demographic here, knowing that the average hearing aid wearer is like 75 years old. So if they have poor dexterity issues or poor vision, it just might be a little bit more conducive for them to interact with that type of technology.
Oh, so what do you see happening with the biometric sensors?
So biometric sensors, we're seeing that Starkey has recently introduced in their new Livio AI the usage of accelerometers and gyroscopes. These are two sensors that we have in all of our different smartphones. Basically, I see that as being sort of a standard feature that will come about where you can track motion and the like, but on the horizon, what I'm seeing is PPG sensors, so being able to track things like your heart rate, your blood pressure, and then down the line, maybe things like non-invasive glucose monitoring, something that would be massive for, say, the diabetes community.
Gosh, and hopefully all of this will increase market penetration of hearing aids.
Absolutely.
So thanks for that insight. We're going to provide a link of the recording so that you guys can all check it out. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next week.
Adios.